Evening folks, welcome to my channel, Bus Driver Nick. So we're still in lockdown here in New Zealand, so I haven't been driving a lot of buses lately and I'm getting an itchy accelerator foot and I really feel like driving. So I've actually uploaded some games onto my iPhone 11 Mac Pro, and what I want to do today is show you guys that you can actually transfer the game onto the big screen. You don't need a gaming console or anything fancy like that, you can just do it with your phone. So, just down to my left here, oh by the way, please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel to make sure you don't miss any future content. So just if you look down here, I've got my iPhone here, 11 Mac Pro, the Apple TV remote and the television remote. Okay, so I'm going to be mirroring this through my Apple TV. So, first thing to do is, I've got my cable, my HDMI cable plugged in from my Apple TV unit here, into the HDMI 2 socket around the back of the TV. Okay, so it depends on your TV which socket you put it in. For me it's on HDMI 2. So all I need to do is pick up my television control and go to the input button and select HDMI 2. So I'm on HDMI 1 for my regular TV. My Apple TV unit is plugged into the HDMI 2 socket around the back of my TV. So I go to HDMI 2 and select. Okay, so now my Apple TV menu comes up. Now I'm going to grab my Apple TV remote control and use the selection button to go down to AirPlay. So this is under settings on my Apple control box. Go to AirPlay, select that and make sure that is on. So I've got it on at the moment, you want it to be on. If I click my select button, it'll switch it off. So if it's in the off position, push select and make sure your Apple AirPlay is on. Then just go back to the main menu and it's all ready to go from the TV side of things. Okay, now I'm going to pick up my iPhone. Okay, so I've got a iPhone 11 Pro Max and I need to select my functions control panel on my iPhone. So just remember, if you've got an iPhone 10 or later, instead of sliding up from the bottom, you want to slide down from the top. Okay, so there's my control panel. Now you can see the button here, it says screen mirroring. I want to press this. Apple TV comes up, then I just click on Apple TV. Okay, and now you can see that the image is mirrored on the 55-inch TV screen. Now that I've got that organised, I'm just going to push the button on the side of the phone here. Okay, just on the side of the phone, the right hand side of the phone, twice. Okay, and then I'm back to my normal home page on my phone. Then I'm just going to swipe up. I've got Face ID, so that opens up my phone for me. And you can see on my phone, I've got Bus Simulator Ultimate, which I've just purchased. You can see it on the TV screen here as well. So I'm just going to select this on my phone. And there we have it. So the exact game is on my phone. My iPhone 11 is now able to be played and watched on the big screen. So I've got my bus named here, Nico's Coach Lines, and Bus Driver Nick is my game playing name. So I'm going to sit down and have some fun playing that this evening. I hope that's been some useful information for you. It shows that all you need is an iPhone and a TV, and you can play some really good arcade style games and simulator games. Now before I go folks, I just want to show you how to turn the mirroring function off on your phone. So with an iPhone, you just swipe from the side to get back to your main menu. Okay, And from the top, to get your control panel, you can see Apple TV, just press this. And at the bottom of the box, it says stop mirroring. I just press that. Okay. Now that is finished, and to get back to normal TV, I just go back to the AV settings, back to HDMI 1, and back to the normal TV. So guys, I hope that was useful. I'm definitely no techno expert, and I found that a really simple way to be able to play the games on my phone and watch the display on the television. So I hope that's been helpful for you. Now the next video I upload, folks, I'm actually going to be demonstrating playing the game, so you can just see how good the game looks on the big screen. And I can show you how to play the game from your phone, using your phone as the game controller. So that'll be on my next video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, click like, and I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.